I guess you can see from my face that it was a fantastic event, not just because it was a huge celebration, it was also reconnecting with some of the scientific leaders from across the continent.
This launch, it's been a long time coming for Deltas Africa. We wanted to be able to award 14 African science directors across 9 African countries. This goes from Tunisia, Senegal, Mali, Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana, South Africa, Zimbabwe, Kenya, Ethiopia. However, even though it's 9, they're working across a lot more African countries as well as global countries to be able to train and build the capacity of young early career scientists to address challenges on the continent. We're looking at diseases such as malaria, HIV, TB, cancer. For the very first time, we're going beyond health. We're beginning to look at climate change and the impact on climate on cities, on health, access to water, access to food and nutrition. It was really energetic. We got a couple of people off their chairs, dancing, engaging with us. We got to expose our culture, our traditions, which is a good element because you can imagine even in science, we should not lose our African culture.
Everybody we wanted to be there to make an input was there. The Pan-African agenda delivered by Africa CDC, and we ended up with the government of Kenya making an expression about the commitment to more science investment in future. The highlight, of course, was seeing those videos, 14 of them 2 minutes each.
It's the first thing that we always want to do when we're looking at science communication. How do we tell the African science story? Storytelling is a key component of that. We took some time out and really traveled to some of the countries the directors are based, and then we put this together into storytelling elements that you will see on social media or the SFA Foundation website.
Art is just one of those things. How are we able to use imagery to communicate or explain the unexplainable to an ordinary person? That is the aim of Art for Science. We create what I'm referring to as inquiry-based experiences.
It's just exciting to see some of the new cutting-edge science on the board, from climate change to mental health consortia. That is all women-led for us. How do we position the research and data coming out from these different consortia into influencing policy at national levels, country levels, at the continental level? How does Africa data deliver value for global health or for climate change?
You can't move the needle if you are not making very consistent investment to bring the next generation who can actually make a difference. We also hope that other partners can come on board to be able to bring a lot more funding and resources to make this continuity so that we keep an eye on that horizon so that it can be achieved.